Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. It is the 1st of February, the first of the month, which means it's time for the Mark's House and Garden UK Club monthly prize draw. This is our third monthly prize draw. If you are a member of Mark's House and Garden UK Club and you joined before the cut-off, which was the 25th, your name will be on a piece of paper in this champagne bucket, and in a moment I'll be doing a draw for the single most highest value prize we've given away so far. This is our third prize draw. If you want to be in next month's prize draw, and if you want your name to be on a piece of paper in the prize draw bucket, then do go over to my website, markshousegarden.com, and have a look and join up if you want to. It is £12 a year, £1 a month. We have a newsletter. We have our monthly giveaway gift bundle, which is all those things which product providers have given to me to review. We give them away in the monthly prize draw. And we have lots of other things for club members as well, but do please go and have a look. And if you join up before the 25th of February, you will be in the prize draw for the 1st of March. And if we don't get given any prizes, Gerri and I, my co-director, will put some money in out of club funds and make sure that there is a prize in there, because there will always be a prize draw. It's just part of the fun of the fair. So in this month's draw, there are two prizes. And as I've already said, Reolink have sent us a CCTV camera. This is the single highest value item we've given away so far. They sent two. Well, they've sent one. I've put one up in my house and they've agreed to send the second one out to the winner of this draw. Before I do the draw, let me tell you a little bit about this camera. It's a brilliant piece of kit. I've put one on the front of my house, and it's a security camera, but it's got a flashlight, so if you walk up to it, it lights the space around you and it starts filming. It's motion censored, so it starts filming. You can set the sensitivity so you can exclude pets, so it'll only pick up on people, and you can blank out areas, and it's got night vision, and it also detects movement and follows it around the space. And I'll be dropping in some footage right now so that you can see how that works. And the brilliant thing about it is, I've been on holiday in January. I was on a cruise ship with my mum in the middle of the Atlantic, and I was watching what was happening in my front garden. It sends alerts, so it's a brilliant piece of kit, and it's not inexpensive, but I think worth every penny for the security and peace of mind it gives you. And one lucky person is going to be having one of these sent to them in the post in the next few weeks when I pull the name out of the bucket. So that's exciting. Now, if you don't want one of the prizes, you can have a voucher, and the voucher is equivalent to the annual admin fee that you've paid to join the club. Last month, Janet won a pair of these gloves. Now, these are brilliant gloves. They're selling these for about £38. They're almost indestructible. They've got 5 layers of protection. They sent me 2 pairs. That's the pair I've been using. And there's a brand new pair in this envelope. Janet wanted a voucher instead. We've sent her a voucher. So the gloves are being rolled over into this draw. So there are 2 prizes this month. And so, what should we do first? Which prize should we give away first? Let's get the gloves out of the way first, shall we? Incidentally, once your names come out, it doesn't go back in. But everyone's name is in there, and there are only 2 prizes. So if you win one, you win one. If you don't, you don't. There's lots of other value in the club. Right, let me go in and pull out a name for the gloves. And give them a good route round. There's a cloth over it so that you can see that I can't see whose name I'm pulling out. So this is the first name coming out, the first piece of paper. And this is for the gloves. Gwyneth Writer. You are the winner of those gloves. They're a medium size, by the way. They're not large. I've got large. They're a medium size. Gwyneth, Gerri will be in touch with you for your address so that we can send the gloves to you in the post. Now for the big one. I'm going to go in and pull out a name for the winner of the Reolink camera. Here we go. It's really exciting, this, and it's a real pleasure, because what I'm actually doing here is, in a way, connecting great companies with the membership and giving something back Right, I've got one in my hand, and out it comes. And who's going to be the winner? Now this is Pamela Christian. Pamela Christian is the winner of the Reolink security camera. And just so that you know that there are lots of other names in there, I'll pull them all out on the table. Now, we're early days with our membership. We've only got a small membership, but as we grow, we will be able to have more negotiating power with suppliers to get bigger and better prizes as the months go by. So if you're watching this and you are a supplier of gardening products, a collaborator, then do get in touch. But I am happy to announce that the winner of the security camera is Pamela Christian. So there we go. Reolink we will be in touch with you for your address, and Reolink will be sending that out to you in the very near future. Congratulations. Wonderful. I shall now get on with some gardening. Bye for now.